Hold strong winch, because if you let go of winch, you break the head off. I'm ruined. I'm ruined. That's actually true. That actually.
How did I go through it?
What? Down?
Yeah.
It's filled a little bit, not all the way. Oh, hey. It's going pretty good. That's not slamming it in. Okay, good. Now, what I think is we're going to fill it all the way to the top of the head to get a... Okay. We'll do about half. And then we can start winching up and then see if... Okay, we're slowly coming up. Okay, I'll keep it. Oh yeah, we're supposed to tap the line. Remember? Tap the line.
Yes, sir.
Tap the line. Get a nice tap on it. Look at that. Look at it. Look at that coating. It's beautiful. Look at it. Look at it coming up. Tap the line. Get a nice. That should get a great coverage. Get a picture of it coming. This is coat 2. And whatever ends up coming up extra, we're gonna put back into the bucket, and we're gonna get a good examination of what it looks like here. Oh wait. Put it in the other bucket. We probably went a little bit extra this shot than we would need to next time, I would think. But I wanted to make sure we had as much as possible. All right, maybe winch it a couple more rotations. Maybe might need a margin trowel to get the littler side, but we'll make do with this trowel for this time. Make sure that the firebox is covered well. Don't want anything to splash down. Okay, a little more. Okay, it's gonna pop forward here in a second. Okay. It's super tight on the tiles. Okay, pop it up. Let's see. Okay. Now I'll get an idea. Wow. Nice coat.
Well done.